Hello and welcome to the SAP HANA Academy. My name is Dennis van Kempen, and in this video tutorial series we will discuss SAP HANA installation and upgrade. The topic of this video is the Product Availability Matrix. The Product Availability Matrix, or PAM for short, in my view is a great place to start any SAP HANA installation. You can find it on the URL support.sap.com. It's hosted on the Support Portal, and it's a generic for any SAP product availability matrix, which will inform you about the availability and the maintenance and upgrade paths of a certain software product. Select the link to open it. If you want to bookmark it, it is in the apps.support.sap.com/sap/support/PAM location. And on the overview page, it provides you with some news and some useful links about other topics. To open the product availability matrix for HANA, just type HANA here in the search box, and it will show here on our list. You can select it as a favorite here, and it will show up in your favorites, of course. And if we return to our home page, it's also here in the last views if you searched for it before. So let's just open it. It will open in a new window. This window has three main tabs: General Information, Technical Release Information, SAP Software Download Center, and System Data, and some subtabs. On the General Information tab, we'll find the official name of the product, but also, for example, the product category and line, which is here Technology Platform SAP HANA, which then, for example, will be useful if we go to our Help Portal page. We'll find the same Technology Platform and then SAP HANA. The link here under Essential Information will depend a bit on the product. For HANA, it will open the certified and supported SAP HANA hardware directory, where you can find all the different vendors' architectures that are supported for SAP HANA. And then under related links, we have links to important documentation, for example, the master guide, the installation and upgrade guide, and the release note. And they will point you directly to the latest version of the product. Related product versions for SAP HANA is not so relevant. There is no upgrade from or upgrade to path, for example, no prerequisites, but only a lot of add-ons listed. But if in case you work with add-ons, you will find that these fields are populated with relevant information. Support packet stacks list all the main releases of SAP HANA, which started with SPS 03 back in 2011, and now we're at SPS 11, just released here in 2015. So that's 4 years of HANA releases. And it has also a link to the release note, which you can open here. And it'll open the platform release note and includes information, for example, also about the extended application services and the different SAP HANA options. There's a separate release note for SAP HANA database, the core database engine. Technical release information provides support information. There's an overview tab, and the subtabs here will link from it. So for example, if I go to HANA Studio and select details here, it will go from overview to operating systems. And then I can select, for example, here the macOS operating system. And here we get the support information, for example, valid from and supported until. Well, the same work for database or for the Java runtime, for example. HANA Studio requires a Java runtime, so you find support information there. SAP Software Download Center tab provides a direct link to the Software Download Center. If you select it here, you can see that you have the installations and upgrade and the support packages and patches. And then if you select it and you go to alphabetical list, you can, for example, pick HANA here. The list is, however, is quite long, so it can be at times be a bit confusing. Also to note is that SAP HANA works with support package stacks and revisions, and a support package stack, say a service pack or a main release, is listed here under installation and upgrade, and the minor revisions are listed here under support packages and patches. So this can also be at times a bit confusing, but if we just select the link here, it will open the download information for the SAP HANA platform directly on the software download center, so we don't have to navigate to our location. And here, for example, we see the different main releases, so SPS 11, SPS 10, SPS 8, for example, that are listed. Finally, there's a tab for system data, but as an SAP employee, there is no data for me, but you will find for your customer relevant information about the environment. Okay, so much for the Product Availability Matrix, or PAM. It's an excellent resource to get information before starting any installation of SAP software, and I've showed you the information that's available today for the SAP HANA platform, SPS 11. In the next video, we'll take a look at downloading the software, and for now, thank you for watching this SAP HANA Academy video.